Today I'm going to show you how to pursue the career of becoming a police officer using the website Police How. At the top of the homepage you have 5 menus that take you to different pages, and then if you scroll down you have 10 steps to becoming a police officer, and they tell you different things of how to become it and give you different links to go to different pages. The first link is police requirements, and on this page it gives you the general police requirements of what you need to accomplish and what you need to do. And then at the bottom, it gives you disqualifications that won't allow you to go to the academy or become a police officer if you do not pass these. And the third page is job descriptions. And if you were wondering what a cop actually does or how they do it, it tells you right here in this paragraph and these bulleted points right here. And then the fourth menu is salary and benefits. And it tells you what the salary is, which is $35,000 to $100,000 per year, depending on where you live. So if you live in a bigger city like New York, you're going to get paid a lot more than a smaller city like Lancaster will. At the very bottom, it has a monthly based salary jurisdiction for some cities. And then over here to the left is preparation guides on how to act. And for example, the oral board interview, it gives you examples on how to prepare for it and tips. And then it tells you how to act during the interview, and it even gives you questions, what they're going to ask you during the interview. And then further down on the left, there's more links, and maybe you don't want to be a police officer exactly, so you want to be a detective. Click on the link, and it gives you information on how to become a detective, and just pretty much a rundown on what you need to do, what the description is, and the salary information.